trendy dance steps, viral short clips, and random contents. These have been gradually circulating online with over billions of views, reactions, and shares. I guess you already know the application that I'm referring to. Right, TikTok. Some of our favorite influencers use this social media platform as a means to deliver their voices in an interesting way. May it be a short skit, creative transitions, and many more. Now, would you actually buy it if I told you that there is money in TikTok? This isn't a bluff nor a false alarm. The interesting thing about this side hustle is that you won't need to have any experience as long as you finish watching this video. It will only take your phone and a TikTok application installed in it. Welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. To be notified for future videos that talk about how to earn even on a passive setting, do not hesitate to hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. So, let's jump right in. First off, you need to head over your TikTok application. Tap on the search bar and search for something that you think is a viral trend. Take into account that the video you will be needing is the ones getting a lot of views. To further find these videos that I'm talking about, go to your browser and type viral trends on TikTok. As a result, you will be given a lot of options to choose from. From these, you should choose what topic you are interested in. Once you've selected your desired topic, delve into the related videos and explore the latest viral trends on TikTok. This method ensures you stay updated with the platform's most popular content. After choosing a certain video in line with the topic that caught your interest, copy the link, video URL, and paste it into a website. I'll be revealing it at the end of this video, so make sure to watch everything. The next step would be choosing an alias for the video. You can see here that I am naming it after chosen name. You should give it a catchy name for viewers to click it. The name of the video serves as the prior qualification whether you are for this job or not. Open Canva on a new tab. Edit the taken screenshot out for it to become a pin to be uploaded on Pinterest. Incorporate text and elements to your pin to make it more engaging. Of course, you have to always remember where you get the original video from and give credits to its creator. We don't want unnecessary things to arise while we're at it. Next, let us get to know this red app, Pinterest. If you're quite familiar with this one, then this has to be easy for you. Set up a new Pinterest account, or if you have a new one, you can use that too. To help manage the viewer's expectation, you will have to let them know what's inside the video. It is always important to highlight honesty. By providing a brief description or preview of the video's content, viewers can better gauge whether it aligns with their interests, fostering transparency and trust. Upholding honesty in your content ensures a positive viewer experience and encourages long-term engagement with your TikTok account. Once your pin is ready, try saving it. This is where your shortened link gets to work. Pinterest either accepts or rejects your edited picture as a pin, basing on your provided link. Once your pin is saved, you can track its performance and engagement metrics over time. After that, you can have Bitly as an alternative site to shorten your link. Experiment with different link shortening services to optimize your Pinterest strategy and maximize audience reach. For the revelation of the website that I was talking about, here it is. Presenting Shrink.io, the most trusted URL shortener, where you can copy and paste your video URL and generate a shorter link for better presentation. It says here that you can earn up to $220 per 1,000 views. Shorten URLs and earn money. How does that sound? To sum everything up, it is with no doubt that TikTok has become a platform not just for entertainment, but also various earning opportunities. It is a platform where creative expression and a source of income is present. With the aforementioned steps, viewers and content creators can leverage viral TikTok trends and create engaging content that will earn money with the help of other websites as well. Pinterest and Shrink.io. Did you find this video engaging and informative to keep you busy over TikTok and its viral trends? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you on the next one.